You guys asked for more air fryer recipes, and this is the air fryer version of one of the most popular recipes on our website. So let's get cooking. To a medium-sized bowl, add 3 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in the US, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika, and mix it together. Now to that we're going to add 600 grams, which is about 1.3 pounds, of skinless, boneless chicken thigh fillets that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. Mix it all together to thoroughly coat the chicken in the cornflour mixture. Now drizzle 3 tablespoons of oil over the chicken and mix it all up again. You should end up with chicken pieces that are looking well coated and quite sticky. Place the chicken in the air fryer basket and cook at 190°C or 375°F for about 15 to 18 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and no longer pink in the middle. While that chicken's cooking, we're going to make the sauce. So to a large bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons each of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. And stir all that together. Coming back to the chicken, make sure to give it a shake in the air fryer about 2 or 3 times during cooking, just to make sure it's nice and crispy and it doesn't stick together. So now we're going to heat up that sauce. So I like to microwave the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring every minute until that sauce is hot throughout and slightly thickened. Once the sauce is done and the chicken's done, we're going to transfer that crispy chicken into the sauce and toss it all together so the chicken is thoroughly coated. And now we're ready to serve. I love to serve this on top of some egg fried rice, sprinkled with some sesame seeds and some chopped spring onions. So that's my simple air fryer crispy sesame chicken in a delicious sweet and savoury sauce. And we've got loads of sauce on this dish, and that's because in my original version, everybody always asks for more sauce. But if you want a little bit less sauce and you want it to just cling to the chicken, or you want to use a little bit less sugar, by all means you can halve the sauce. And if you haven't got an air fryer, then you can check out my original version right over here. I'll see you next time.